This is Vamsi Krishna. I was an expert in AI and ML, and I was certified from IIIT Hyderabad. I welcome all of you to attend the offline sessions from DURGASOFT. So which are about to start from, which are going to be starting from 25th of March at 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's a class timing. So as you know that Hyderabad, so it is well known for a hub of training, so which provides you a very good quality of training and with an affordable price. So coming to our course curriculum, so we are offering a full stack data science course. So as part of the industry standard, whatever the course techniques that are what are going to be the technologies that are required, so the DURGASOFT is providing all that particular all the techniques which are required for the industry standard, all the techniques that are required for all the technologies that are required for the industry standard. So as part of the full stack data science course, so this is going to be the basic the course content what we are going to be providing. So starting from the core Python, so which is going to be the one of the popular language basically for data science. So starting with the core Python, and we are going to be going for the introductory part of the NumPy and the pandas, which are very important for our data science. So as a data scientist, the most important is going to be the data visualization. So I was an expert in the data visualizations by using the various different types of data visualization libraries like Matplotlib, it may be a Seaborn, it may be a Plotly, Dash, and even some kind of tools like Power BI and the Tableau. So as part of our course curriculum, we are going to enjoy the data visualization techniques. So end to end, what exactly is a data analyst or a data scientist, or whether it's a machine learning engineer or a deep learning expert, whatever the data visualization techniques we require, we are going to provide you all the concepts in depth about them. And our main course curriculum is basically related to the machine learning. So I was an expert completely on the machine learning. We are going to study all about the algorithms. So whatever the popular algorithms, like we are going to be learning like decision trees, random forest, Navi Bayes, linear regressions, logistic regressions, so clustering algorithm, all these are going to be, we are going to be study in depth as part of the training program. So it is not only about the implementation, we are going to study all the case studies. So we are going to perform all the case studies with different types of real data sets. We are going to work on them. So which is as part of the required industry standards, we are going to providing you all this particular training program. And also as an expert in R language. So I was a quite expert in the R language. We are also going to offer the same machine learning and the data science by using R language also. And one of the main interesting, which is going to be our deep learning. So as an AI and ML expert, so I was a very expert in DL, the deep learning models, whatever we are going to be learning. So we really enjoy the learning of a deep learning in our course curriculum. So like we are going to be working with some kind of images. So how the cropping of images is going to take place, how we are going to change the color mappings of the images. Really, it looks like working like in Photoshop. So we are going to detect the faces in the images. We are going to identify the face emotions from the images. So all these are going to be a very quite interesting, which we are going to do as part of our course curriculum. And the main interesting now, the current trend is going to be on the NLP. So which is natural language processing. So even I was expert in the natural language processing. So we see a lot of every day we are going to use a lot of NLP related applications, starting from Google Voice Assistant and the word recommendation whenever we type the SMS or the emails. So it is going to be all the success stories of the NLP. So as a language expert, we can also work with the text analysis. So that is going to be the next main topic what we are going to discuss. And even one of the main interesting is going to be about the chatbots. So how the chatbots are going to be works in our real life scenarios. So by using some kind of neural networks, we can train our machines to work for the chatbots actually. So even we are also having the introductory part to the Azure ML. So not only Azure, even we can work with AWS, we can work with the Google Cloud. So they are offering a lot of services, basically from starting from basic implementation to the advanced application like speech to text, text to speech. Okay, so language conversion, all these are going to be provided by this particular the cloud services we are providing. And as a data visualization expert, we can also work on the Power BI, so which is a tool which is provided by Microsoft, or it may be a Tableau, or it may be some Tableau or some other reporting tools what we can use it actually. So really this learning of data science is not just like a learning of a programming language. So we are going to be it's very interesting learning of lot of mathematical methodologies, mathematical techniques we are going to learn. So completely it is different from a programming language. Like a research program, we are going to learn it. A lot of case studies we have to do, a lot of POCs has to be gets done. So the main highlights in our program, is going to be every day to day, topic to topic, we will be given some kind of an POCs. So where the students can practice and where they can get expertise in the each and every concept will be there. So every topic will be having some kind of a lab assignments will be there, as well as we will be having some kind of a POCs are going to be gets provided. So there is a completely day-to-day schedule, and the course total duration is going to be 125 sessions will be there. So which we are going to complete within 4 to 5 months of time. This is going to be our course curriculum. Even we are going to be having an introductory part 2, which is going to be Hadoop and the Spark. So as a data analyst or as a data scientist, sometimes it is required to work even with the big data systems. So we are also going to provide you all the basic ideas about the big data system, where we are going to work completely with the Apache Spark. And even with the legacy systems like MapReduce, Pig, Hive, Scoop. So we are also going to be having some introductory part of those big data technologies. So this and Plotly and Dashboard. So this is also very interesting, which is going to be a dashboard reporting. So where we can develop a lot of interactive reports. Dash reports can be developed with the help of the Plotly and the Dash. All these are going to be done without having any programmatical skills, because Python provides you all the utilities which are required for implementing of this, the data science tool, the data science implementation can be gets done. And even to work on the data science, you really don't require to work with this particular, you need not to be an expert on the Python. Python is a language which is very easy to learn and very easy to use. Anybody, even a non-IT professional, like it may be a chemical engineer or a mechanical engineer, even there are going to be some kind of a doctors, research peoples, all of them are nowadays, they are learning and they are using this data science. And we have a very good opportunities, very good opportunities in our industry, starting from data analyst or a data machine learning expert or a deep learning expert or a AI engineer. So as a data visualization expert, we are having a lot of roles as part of the data science course. So here we are going to provide you all the in-depth knowledge so about this particular data science technologies, and hope we'll see you all of you in our the demo classes, which we are going to start on the 25th of March, and we'll see you in the class. Thank you all of you.